One eternity later.
Almost there. Every last drop counts. Welcome back to another video. Assuming by the title you guys want to know how to put a roll cage in, which is exactly what we're going to do right today. Zamirs already at Chevy. Sorry for my rosary. But Zamirs already at Chevy right now waiting for me. I had to come back and drop my mom's minivan off because we couldn't fit the roll cage in one car. So I had to get the minivan and help him out a little bit. So right now he's a Chevy, taking the seats out, which I highly recommend you guys do. If you guys are planning on doing it, you get the more room you have, the easier it is. So yeah, I mean, let's get straight to it. Let's install this Cusco roll cage. It's a full roll cage. Shout out to Evil My Ass for hooking him up with the roll cage, and Subaru for hitting me up about it. So I told Zamir about it. Fortunately, I couldn't put it in this car because I have a sunroof. I didn't want it, but it is what it is. Now I have a sunroof that I never even use. But unfortunately, I can't fit that roll cage in my car because of this reason. So, anyways, later on, I'm still getting the roll cage, but I'm getting a welded on roll cage because they don't make any full roll cages out there for this car with the sunroof, unfortunately. Unless, I could be wrong, maybe you could fit it, I don't know, but every website that I go to, it literally says not compatible with Subarus with the sunroof. Sucks, I know. I don't know why, and I'm not gonna risk it and buying one and be like, oh, it doesn't fit, well, we told you it doesn't fit. So yeah, but right now I just came home and pick up the STI because, like I said, I had to come home and do something real quick. Had to come home and drop my mom's minivan off because, like I said, we couldn't fit the roll cage. But now I'm gonna go on my way to Chevy, help Zamir out, finish it, or do it, and then so come along, guys. So I made it to Chevy. Gotta air on there one time. This is so far what he has done. So far, took both seats out already. And now, I'm about to install it. There's a roll cage, by the way. It's in pieces. Omar's gay. There's a roll cage pieces. Juan's a weenie. Hey Juan, say something to the vlog.
On the vlog?
In the vlog. Alright.
Can't do that. Can't do that.
So yeah. Damn, I actually did some. We put work in. Nah. I just took the seats out. Yeah, flower in this bitch. Damn. Alright, so now I don't know what to do.
I really don't know. I don't know what.
I don't know where to start. Alright, I'm gonna do some research and I'll get back with you guys. So a little update. We're like pulling the carpet back a little bit, like I did on this side. Just enough room so we could, because we have to drill into the body itself in order to bolt it down. So we have to like drill like somewhere over here, somewhere down there in the middle, and then up there by the pedal. Well, not the pedal, the stand. What?
Can we turn back? I don't want to.
Just take that piece out too. That one by the
oh, this?
yeah, that one you just pull to the side. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, now we have to drill here, here, and up there. And so we got one part in, kinda. You gotta literally angle it like down and like sideways, and they go in. Now we gotta drill through. So in order for all this to fit, we gotta take the visors out. We gotta take these little handles out. These are literally just clips. There's like literally 2 tabs. Like you pop right here, you pop right here, and then right here and right here, and then this whole thing comes off. That I think they're screws, right? 3 screws?
Oh, yeah, they're just 2 Phillips.
2 Phillips?
Yeah.
There you go, 2 Phillips for right here. And then whatever is behind this one. But yeah, we gotta take those, all those out in order for us to put the fucking cage on, because they really made it perfect to the where you don't need those anymore. So what's up, Zamir? We're gonna leave it like this?
I'm done, bro.
Alright, so we're done. We're done. Fuck a bolt in. It's a squeeze in.
Yeah, you like my cage?
Just for show anyways, no.
Exactly.
But yeah, we're mocking it up right now to kind of see what we're gonna drill the holes. And I mean, yeah, so far it's looking pretty sick. So now we gotta get a marker and put like little dots everywhere so we know where everything's at, and then drill holes.
So we up here. You can't find the fucking socket. I thought I did. So far it's looking pretty good. We got, yeah, tied in. We got that side down. Trying to find a bolt that can go through that, so we can hurry up to finish this. I don't think we... Oh, never mind. Yeah, we did. We did that one. And then next thing to do is to put this one in, hopefully, so we can, I think this one, yeah. This one's gonna run from right here all the way to that side. And I'm hoping that since for some reason when we tightened this one caved in that way. And that one didn't, so next update.
Alright, so guys, sorry I didn't really update it, but Omar's gay. We're putting everything back in already. We're already bolted down. Sorry I didn't get to vlog because this one has to leave, so we kind of have to rush things, but pretty much there's a metal plate that goes, it's supposed to go under the car, and then you put the bolt through here, and then it goes all the way through the body, and then just put the metal plate under it, and then that, of course, kind of like sandwich it in there. And then that was a bitch to drill holes in there. Actually, this one's not even bolted down, because if you have a glove box, you're fucked. So we unbolted it and we just kept it like that, so in case he has to get his glove box, he can move it a little bit. But everything else, my bad. Here, I'm gonna show you guys kinda how it is. So
Like all bucket seats?
also right here.
Because I have to fucking roll cage. I don't know if I want to take everything out again.
Oh my, what the, look, dude, look. Ready?
Oh my god, bro.
My phone.
Oh my god.
I was like, where's my phone?
I thought that was my phone. I was like, and they could be hearing his phone ringing. Where's my phone? Bro, what if you put everything back on?
Alright, don't do that. Make sure everything's out of the car.
Oh
Alright.
Hey, they're gonna think you rigged that though. What you did?
Rig what? This?
No, you put your phone in there on purpose for the video. Oh my god.
No, I didn't. I literally, that was not planned at all.
Bro, if you left it in there.
Good thing I came here to show them how we did it. Otherwise, I would have been like, dude, where's my phone? But yeah, look.
Oh my god.
See, washer, and then I mean bolt washer, this, and then on the other side, which is down here, and I just can't see it because we put the fender liner back on, but and it's a metal plate in there, and then of course the nuts. Same thing on this side, and you kind of tell, same shit.
Are we too far back?
And in the front, same thing. Oh, Zamir, if you gotta get to your fuses. Oh, you can still get through it. Never mind.
Oh, we good, Juan. We good. We're right there.
Oh shit. Oh, never mind. There we go. But yeah, same thing in the front. Also, you're gonna have to cut this piece. Fuck. Kind of hard to do in one hand. God damn it.
What?
I'm gonna put this on there. I'm trying to show everyone, but there we go. You gotta cut this piece because otherwise it won't go around the cage. So I cut it, trimmed it a little bit.
Where are you going somewhere again?
And then also I trimmed the carpet just so kind of get a little gap. So it looks clean.
Yeah, I have. I'm not
Look
gonna,
at that.
Not gonna have to.
I mean, this one I still have to put everything. I have to put all the seats in there, but that side too. I tucked it this side. All right, one seat's in. The roll cage in. Oh, we still gotta tighten up all the top ones. There's like bolts. This one, it's an Allen, and then a nut. Hello. So see, a bunch of them. So yeah, I mean, so far, what do you guys think? Give it a thumbs up. You guys think? Give it a thumbs up if you think this looks sick as fuck.
It's not sick as fuck. When you
Yeah.
Oh, look, I bet you it's my mom.
Mama?
Uh-oh. It's a law calling. Alright, but yeah. Damn, you're fucked.
My mom told me I'm gay.
Yeah. You guys heard it here first. Give it a big thumbs up if you think Zamir's gay.
Shit, I'm about to go like the video.
Smash the shit out of it.
I'm gonna make a couple
But here you go. Let's go. But yeah, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions. I know I didn't really like video.
Don't ask us, fuck off.
Yeah.
I'm not helping you guys.
Well, I'll help you
Bro,
guys.
they're gonna ask questions in the comments
Yeah.
and no one's gonna answer.
Is that a Subaru? No, it's a
It was kind of, it was
like, no, it's
honestly, how hard it was pretty easy. Just only hard part is trying to fucking.
You sure this is more safe? You got no oh shit handles.
Well, the oh shit, oh yeah, the oh shit,
visor.
the oh shit handles are just clip-ons, literally.
Yeah.
Dude, yeah, look at this.
They're just fucking clip-ons. So
How is this?
that is not safe. Subaru,
You
you trash. Guys, we're done. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys, like I said, have any questions, just let me know. I'll answer them as much as I can, or DM me on Instagram.
Ooh, DM,
Or DM this fool, even though this fool didn't do anything.
I'm not gonna help.
Well, he did help a little.
Wow, he said I didn't help.
I said you helped a little.
Okay.
Okay, you helped. Okay, he helped.
No.
Alright, give it a thumbs up if you think he helped.
Hey, give it a thumbs up if I should get injectors.
You already got him, bitch. Oh yeah, he already got him. Even though you guys didn't do 1,000 likes on one video, he already got injectors. He said you guys, he said you guys were lagging it too much.
And then, and then 85.
Oh yeah, he's going corn too. So corn, porn, and torn.
Hey man, that's a good combo.
But yeah.
Come here.
So my car's next for a roll cage. That's my next mod. I'm not doing bolt-on because my car has a sunroof, and like I said, fucking Cusco doesn't do one for sunroofs.
That's gay as hell.
Which I found out why, because the way our sunroofs are, like this thing's a lot lower than the his is, and that's where the thing goes back.
Yeah.
And then up here too, this part is gonna hit where the front bar goes. I'll show you guys actually. Look at this shit. Look at this. See what I mean? See, this one's a lot higher, and then his light is a lot more back. Mine's like literally on the front where the front bar is at. So it sucks. It sucks because I can't put this one in there. But at the same time, I'm gonna get one welded on. I'm gonna get a welded roll cage. And there goes his clips. So I'm ending the vlog here, guys. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys are new, subscribe because there's plenty more for this car, that car. Juan's car is not here. He brought his mom's truck, but there's more things coming up real soon. for all our cars, so stay tuned for that. So like I said, subscribe if you're new, give it a like if you're been a subscriber, or if you like this video too. Comment any questions you guys have, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.